Want to know the fastest way to whiten your teeth at home? Well, the answer might be right in your pantry. We're talking about a powerful, natural substance that's been gaining traction in the world of dental hygiene: activated charcoal. You may have heard about it, but how exactly does it work to give you that sparkling smile you've always wanted? And more importantly, how can you use it safely and effectively? Stay tuned as we unravel the secret to a brighter smile with activated charcoal. First off, what exactly is activated charcoal? Well, it's not the same thing as the charcoal you use for your summer barbecues. Activated charcoal is a special form of carbon that has been processed to have small, low-volume pores. These pores provide a large surface area that can absorb toxins or other substances. Activated charcoal is created by heating common charcoal in the presence of a gas, causing the charcoal to develop internal spaces or pores. These pores help activated charcoal trap chemicals, making it incredibly effective as a deep cleanser and detoxifier. Now you may be wondering, where is activated charcoal commonly used? It's used in many different fields, including water purification, medicine, and skincare. But most relevant to us, it's also used in oral care, specifically teeth whitening. Now that we understand what activated charcoal is, let's uncover how it can help whiten your teeth. You might be wondering, how does this black substance make your teeth whiter? Well, it's all about the absorbent properties of activated charcoal. This isn't the same stuff you use to fire up your barbecue. No, this is a specially processed form of charcoal that's super porous. When you apply activated charcoal to your teeth, it acts like a magnet for stains and discoloration. It latches onto plaque and microscopic tidbits that stain teeth, absorbing them into its porous structure. This process is called adsorption, not to be confused with absorption. In absorption, substances are soaked up like a sponge. But in adsorption, substances bind to the surface, much like stains sticking to the charcoal particles. As you rinse or brush the charcoal off, the adsorbed stains go with it, leaving your teeth cleaner and visibly whiter. It's like a detox for your teeth, drawing out the stains and discoloration. Sounds pretty impressive, doesn't it? But how do you use it? Whitening your teeth with activated charcoal is a simple process. We begin by wetting the toothbrush. You can use any toothbrush, but a soft bristle one is most gentle on your gums. Next, open your activated charcoal powder. Dip your wet toothbrush into the powder, making sure to get a good amount on the bristles. Don't worry if it looks messy, it's part of the process. Now, gently brush your teeth, just as you would with regular toothpaste. Focus on areas that are particularly stained. Brush for about 2 minutes, but remember, activated charcoal is abrasive, so don't brush too hard or for too long. Once you've brushed thoroughly, rinse out your mouth. You might need to rinse a few times to get all the charcoal out. And voila, you're done. You can do this a few times a week for best results. And there you have it, a brighter, whiter smile in no time. Before we conclude, let's quickly recap the key points. Teeth whitening with activated charcoal is effective, simple, and affordable. This natural alternative absorbs and pulls out stains from your teeth, leaving them visibly brighter. The process is as straightforward as brushing your teeth with the charcoal for a few minutes before rinsing. With just a few uses, you'll notice a significant difference. Remember, a brighter smile is just a brush away with activated charcoal. Thanks for tuning in.